Hi there, students. Mainstream. Mainstream. Well, if you have a river, the main current, the central flow of that river is the mainstream. Very often a river splits into different tributaries, smaller rivers, but the principal course of that river is the mainstream. Now, more commonly, we use this word mainstream figuratively. So, if something is mainstream, it's the cultural trend. It's what most people like, what most people do, what most people eat, what most people buy, what most people think. So mainstream, it's what is generally accepted by a large proportion of a population or a market. So you could have mainstream music, or Hollywood produces mainstream cinema. Normally at the film festivals you get to see the fringe films. So the opposite of mainstream would be fringe, the edge. A religion is a cult that has become mainstream. The Labour Party and the Conservative Party are the two mainstream British political parties. So mainstream, ideas, attitudes, activities that most people think as normal, as conventional. This book was written for a mainstream audience. Or shopping centres usually sell nothing but mainstream products. Okay, so mainstream, what you find everywhere, what everybody buys, what everybody does. Okay, next question. What about formality? I think this word is completely neutral. I'd give it a 5. You could use it in an informal conversation, you could use it in the most formal document, so something nice and flexible. And obviously the origin, main, central, stream, the flow. Apparently in Old English there was a word stream, which meant a stream. So the word stream hasn't changed a lot. So mainstream, what is conventional? What most people do, yeah? I think mainstream is both a noun and an adjective. Yeah, he's in the mainstream politics, mainstream cinema, mainstream ideas, mainstream religions. Yeah, they're the ones most people follow. So there you go, mainstream. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mainstream.